Concept 1. The human menu. Cows, pigs, chickens, sheep, rabbits. These animals appear on plates all around the world. But there is something strange. We almost never see lion, tiger, wolf, eagle, or jaguar on a normal menu. So the question is simple. Why do humans usually eat herbivores and omnivores but avoid carnivores? Concept 2. Safety. One possible reason is safety. As animals live, they can collect parasites, bacteria, toxins, and heavy metals inside their bodies. And when one animal eats another, it can also take in some of the harmful things that animal was carrying. Now imagine a food chain. A prey animal eats plants, a predator eats that prey, and then another predator eats the predator. The higher an animal is on the food chain, the more unwanted substances it may accumulate. So for humans, eating certain predators may feel riskier than eating animals that mostly eat plants. Concept 3. Taste and texture. But safety does not explain everything. There is also taste. Many carnivores are strong, fast, muscular animals. Their bodies are built to hunt, chase, fight, and survive. That usually means their meat is leaner, tougher, and has less fat. And for humans, fat plays a big role in flavor. Softer, juicier meat is usually more attractive. What an animal eats can also affect how it tastes. An animal that eats plants may have a milder flavor, but an animal that eats meat, fish, or other animals may develop a stronger, less pleasant taste. If you enjoy animal science explained in a simple way, subscribe to Think Animal Science and keep learning with us. Concept 4. Inefficiency. The most practical reason is efficiency. Raising animals for food already requires time, space, water, care, and feed. But raising carnivores would be even more complicated. To feed a cow, humans can use grass, grains, or plants. But to feed a tiger, you would need meat. That means you would first need to raise other animals, feed them, turn them into food for the tiger, and only then eat the tiger. From a human point of view, that makes very little sense. It is easier, cheaper, and more efficient to eat the cow, chicken, pig, or sheep directly. That is one reason humans domesticated animals that were easier to feed, control, reproduce, and raise. Concept 5. Culture and religion. Culture also matters. In every society, some animals are seen as food, while others are seen as dangerous, sacred, impure, or simply not normal to eat. Some religions also restrict eating predators, especially animals with claws, fangs, or hunting behavior. Over time, these ideas become traditions, and traditions shape what feels acceptable on a plate. Concept 6. The exception, fish. But there is one big exception, fish. Many fish humans eat are carnivores. Tuna, salmon, and cod often feed on other animals in the ocean. So why do we eat them? Because for most of human history, we did not have to raise them like farm animals. We simply caught them. We did not need to feed a tuna for years, we only needed to fish it. That is why, in the ocean, the rule works a little differently. Conclusion. So humans avoid eating carnivores for many reasons. Safety, taste, efficiency, culture, religion, and habit all play a role. It is not that eating predators is impossible, it is just that, for most human societies, it has not been the safest, tastiest, cheapest, or most practical option. That is why our plates are usually filled with cows, chickens, pigs, sheep, and fish, while lions, wolves, eagles, and tigers stay off the menu.